Do you all see those beautiful craft rooms on YouTube? Well, that's not me. I'm thinking like now, what has happened over here? I'll show you around. So my craft room is at the attic. You can see it over here. Nice window. So in the attic we have two rooms. This one's my daughter's room. And here's my craft room, my craft space. Let's show you around. Okay, so there's a nice path almost. I can go to my desks. I have two desks. A smaller one over there with my computer on it. And here's my craft desk, which is kind of filled up right now because I'm cleaning some stuff. And usually I try to have it almost empty. That's not happening at the moment. So there is a lot of stuff on the floors and I really need to get rid of it. And I already cleaned up some stuff because it has been worse in the past, really. You don't want to see that, but there's some stuff on the floors and stuff that don't have a place where they need to stay. So I need to get rid of that state. Yeah, so here's my camera lights, my studio lights, which I need, and there's some stuff here that I don't want to be here, so I like to have that clean. Yeah, so things need a proper space. And I also have my raw stalks over here, which need to be reorganized too, because the thing was with my room that those desks were switched. So I recently did that because of the camera lights. I couldn't fit them under there because of the roof. So I placed my desk back here. And I chose to have my computer over there, still over there, because I like to do my computer work over there, so that I'm not watching into the sun, because those windows are on the south. So I have all the lights in here directly. So I'd like to do my computer work over there, and maybe some work and office stuff. And I'm crafting over here. I would have liked my computer over here, and I had that before the first when we moved in here. I also had those desks this way, and I had my computer over there, but I chose I'm keeping it over there now, and here I want to craft here, but I already have rearranged some things, and I'm happy with what's going on, but it needs to be more clean up, and especially everything that's under the desk. Yeah, that needs to be organized too. So that's what I'm going to do in the next time. And also I want to make more YouTube videos for you, so more scrappy stuff and more art journaling stuff. And I would like to know to hear from you. First of all, how's your craft room? Is it always neat and tidy? I don't believe that. There are not so many that are really organized. I do know there are a lot of that do, and they are really organized. But I'm showing you the real life, how it's, well, with me actually. And well, I want it to be in a better state. And the next thing I'd like to hear from you, what would you like to see from me? Would you like to see more art journaling, or would you like to see more scrapbooking? Or both? Or, well, give me some good ideas that I want to do, and let's clean up this mess. Bye bye.